Ozocek Pure LN is a high-quality portable oxygen concentrator designed for high-quality oxygen supplied for long hours. The product is offered as a pack including oxygen concentrator instrument, humidifier bottle, cannula tubes, and the user manual. The nebulization kit is also provided inside the kit. It includes medicinal cup, mouthpiece, child and adult mask, an air tube. Let's understand how to install it. We highly recommend to go through the user's manual before using the product. Take out the oxygen generation unit and other accessories from the box. Now, place the oxygen generation unit at a safe place where the flow of air is sufficient. Make sure the oxygen concentrator is kept near a power source in a well-ventilated area, away from flammable materials or detergents, with at least 15 cm gap between the device and the walls or furniture, etc. We need to open the humidifier bottle, remove the top cover, and pour purified water into the bottle. Ensure that the level of water must be between the maximum and minimum marking on the bottle. Close the top cover. Connect the humidification bottle to the oxygen outlet of the concentrator using a connecting tube. Place the humidifier bottle into the fixing socket and fix the other port of the humidification bottle to the nasal oxygen tube. Plug the power supply cord into a socket. Your oxygen concentrator is ready to work now. Connect one end of cannula tube to humidifier outlet. Insert the prongs of the nasal cannula into the nostrils. The manner for wearing the cannula in the video is recommended. Switch on the power and adjust the settings using the menu as recommended by your doctor for the appropriate flow rate by increasing or decreasing the same, and breathe through your nose. While using Ozocek Pure LN oxygen concentrator, you must keep a few things in mind. First of all, the oxygen generation unit should be placed in a clean and dry place. The temperature and light should be optimum at that place. The tube should not be severely twisted or blocked. Now, let's understand how to operate inbuilt nebulizer. Switch on the power. Connect the mouthpiece to the medicinal cup. Unscrew the nut of the oxygen nebulizer outlet and then connect nebulizer tubing to the outlet. Press the start button on the front panel by using knob to adjust the flow to minimum, that is 0.5 liter per minute. Attach the mouthpiece or the mask to the nebulizer bottle. You may use either of the options of mask or mouthpiece as per your convenience. Hold the nebulizer bottle straight and wait until aerosol starts generating in it. Once you will see aerosol coming out of it, place it in your mouth and inhale the medication while breathing normally. Do not tilt nebulizer bottle beyond 45 degrees as the medicine may spill. Exhale as normal through the mouthpiece or mask. Once you will finish the treatment, switch off the power button. For more details on our products or for support, visit www.ozocheck.com.